This is an old picture from the internet with a very interesting brain teaser. We're presented with 4 options and asked, what is the probability we will pick the correct one at random? The options are probabilities tied to the initial question itself. Option A is 25%, B is 50%, C is 0%, and D is 25%. Initially, you would think if we have 4 choices and one of them is correct, the chance of picking the correct one has to be 1 out of 4, or 25%. So we should pick either A or D, right? But here's the problem. Since we have 2 options showing 25%, the chance of randomly selecting one of them is actually 1 out of 2, or 50%. And if you accept that and say it's 50% in this case, then option B becomes the correct answer. But B is only one option out of 4, which means the chance of picking it at random is actually 1 out of 4, or 25% again. So was this question poorly phrased? Or is the problem itself incoherent since the answers are conflicting? Well, this is the kind of mess that appears when the answers reference the question itself. Perhaps it would help to think of this like the grandfather paradox. Someone goes back to the past and kills their grandfather, but if they do that, they have no grandfather, therefore no father, so they wouldn't be born. But they were already born and went back to the past. In the end, I think this question has no answer, because no matter which option you pick, it will always run into a contradiction.